Hello my friends, on this video I will show you or I will present to you the best low-end PC emulator for the people who have no simple PC or not powerful PC. So the emulator it's Momo Player Nebula version, okay? So you can get this URL from the first link that I will put on the comment. Okay, so we'll click here and we'll wait until the download started. Okay, so as you can see here, the file it start downloading. Okay, so we go um, to the files and we go to the downloads, as you can see here. Okay, so double click on it and we will wait. We will choose yes. After that, the installation window is coming, so we check accept Momo emulator and we click on quick install, and right now we need to wait the download of the files for the Momo Nebula version is started. Okay, so we'll wait some seconds until the download finishes and we complete the video for you. So as you can see, my friends, the download of files it's done, and right now there is installation process and the install I think it's completed. So we're waiting. Okay, so it say start. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, so everything is good right now, and we will wait some seconds and the Momo Nebula version is start working. Okay, and if you need to disable the Hyper-V option from Windows 11, you can watch this video that I will put on the card on the top, or you can find the video on the description and also on the comments. Okay, so this is the best emulator for low-end PC. As you can see here, we can log into the Play Store, and I say later, log in later, and as you can see here, it's very fast emulator. It's pretty good for the people who need um, a super Android emulator for not powerful PC or for lower PC like 1 giga or 2 giga on the RAM. Okay, so please share the video with your friends, like the video, and uh, subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Thank you.